Welcome to Pocket Analysis, where we're going to do an analysis of a chart in 10 minutes or less. Okay, so today we're going to start with GBPAUD. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to look at GBPAUD on the weekly. The weekly looks a little bit like some consolidation, but there we see a high that just broke a low. There we go. We went to the daily chart and now we see some good structure. Okay, so that low broke. So it looks like we're currently in a downtrend on the daily time frame. Okay, we identified the order block. This is the zone of the candlestick before we broke structure. So we're going to expect price to pull into that daily order block. This is the break of structure to show that, we did break the low and we're forming lower lows now. So what I did is I drew a fib from the high to the low, and it actually looks like we hit a negative 61.8, which generally means a reversal zone. And if we look at the top, it looks like it was a major area of support that was rejected. So again, we're going to look for buys into that daily order block. That confirms. Okay, so now let's go on to a lower time frame. Now we're on the 4-hour. Looks like we have a little bit of market structure that is forming. Looks like we have some slight breaks. We broke that mini lower high and retested. That's the break of structure. And there is an order block right here, which the market actually broke the broker structure and pulled right into the order block. That is a classic example of how efficient order blocks are. That's really great. Okay, so let's see what we're going to do next. Okay, yep, let's go ahead and draw the fib, right? Impulse correction, so we're going to expect a continuation. Our correction came down to the 61.8, so we're going to be targeting the negative 27 and the negative 61.8, which is right in the daily order block. Perfect. Let's go down to an even smaller time frame. Okay. So what we're going to expect is we're going to expect price to break that mini lower high and then come back and test into the order block that was formed right before that movement. Yep. So what I want to see is I want to see price come down